Hey guys, Bruce T here and welcome to the video. Can you believe this weather that we've been having lately? It's been beautiful around here in Germany. It's been about 23, 24 degrees Celsius and the weather has just been phenomenal for riding. I got this bike out twice this week. I took it out Monday and Tuesday, and I was actually going to take you guys for a ride on Monday when I was going to film this video. But it turns out I don't have any mounts for my bike. If you guys recall, back in March I was supposed to go back to Massachusetts and I was going to spend the summer in the United States. So before I was to leave on that trip, I actually mailed off all my camera mounts for the bike back to Massachusetts so I could film some stuff with my other GS Adventure there. Well, it turns out this pandemic hit and I wasn't able to travel back to the States. So now all my stuff for filming on the bike is actually in Massachusetts, so I could have used it on my other bike. But now I don't have any for this bike for the mounts and everything. There's 3 different claw mounts that I have that I can mount the cameras to the bike to do some filming. And then there's the 90-degree split that I have for the helmet, which allows me to do filming from my helmet. So I don't have any of those mounts, so I need to come up with another solution so I can put some mounts on this bike and do some filming with it. So I'm sorry I don't have that footage for you, but I gotta tell you, it was a great ride. I did about 100 kilometers and it was about a 2-hour ride. Really nice day out, and I got through some nice twisties and just had a nice loop that I like to do here around Germany. Alright, so today I have a product that I want to show you guys if you guys have a GS Adventure. It doesn't matter if you guys have the 1200 Adventure or the 1250 Adventure. This product is good for both of these. Alright, so when you're riding the bike without bags on it, you know there's always that problem. What do I do with the bags when they're not on the bike? Most of you guys will just put them on the floor of the garage like I used to, and then they just be in the way. They're susceptible to being kicked and knocked over and scratched. And we know these aluminum panniers, they cost a lot of money, so you really want to protect them and keep them out of the way when they're not in use. So last summer I was looking on YouTube like I always do, and I found this YouTuber called A Bike Thing. And he has this pannier mount system that he made for the wall, so you can put your panniers against the wall and mount them as if they were mounting to the bike, and they keep them out of the way and in a nice spot. So today I'm going to show you this, and as always, I don't make anything off this video. I don't know this YouTuber, and really I have no affiliation to recommend his products. I just think it's really great and I want to share it with you guys. So let me show you guys what it is. Alright, so this is the mounting system here, and as you can see they're nice and against the wall and out of the way on the side of my garage. And it really works out nice because when I have a car in here, I can park the car nice and close and these are out of the way. And I can fit my 2 cars in the garage and the boxes don't really affect it at all. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how they mount up. I need my key for that to take them off, and I'll show you guys how it works. Alright, so these are the mounts here that he made that they drill into the wall with just 4 screws, and they hold on pretty solid. They're really not going to go anywhere. And they mount your panniers to the wall pretty solidly. They were very easy to install. All I did was use the laser level to make sure I had a nice solid line to mount them level. And then I marked the 4 holes with a pencil and then drilled it out with a hammer drill. And then you put the plastic inserts in and then you mount your screws in to mount them to the wall. It really was an easy process, and the mounts are securely to the wall and they really put your panniers in a good position. So I'm going to show you guys how they go on right now. Alright, these are really easy to put onto the wall. All you do is mount it like you're mounting it onto your bike by lining up the 4 tabs and then locking it in with the latch. So I'll show you guys right now how it goes. Alright, first you want to make sure you're lined up perfectly and then move it forward, okay? And then you want to hold the bag there and then use this latch to close it as if you were locking it to the bike. And then to get the key out, you have to actually lock it. And then, as you can see, this is securely mounted. Alright, and then for the other one, it's the same thing. You line up the tabs, put it in, and then close the latch to lock it on. Alright, so once these are mounted to the wall, they're pretty secure and they're not going to go anywhere. There is a little bit of wiggle room that you can have with them, but they're not going to come off because you need the key to take them off. It's just like as if it was on your bike. Alright, so I think this product is very good. It gets the boxes out of the way and mounted to the wall. You can also mount them next to each other if it's easier for you to do it. I found it easier to mount one on top of the other. I put the bigger one on the bottom and then the smaller one on the top to make it even for when they're mounted together like this. Alright, so the cost of these mounts was 79 British pounds. Now the price is just about a little under $100 US, and then you have to pay the shipping, which I think is under $25. So for $125 you got this, and it mounts to the wall and it's out of the way. So if it's something you're interested, I'll have a link in the description below, and you guys can go to his YouTube page and check out his YouTube channel, and you can place an order for these if you want them. Alright, that's all I have for you. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you find this useful. I really like them, and I think it's good for anybody who has a GS Adventure. I think this product really puts them out of the way and solves the solution of having them off the ground and on the floor of the garage and susceptible to damage for when you're walking by with stuff and trying to save room in your garage. So I really do like this product, and I stand behind it, and I really think it's a great thing. Alright, so if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video. Thanks!